Hi FAC family, today's survival tip is all about protection. I'm going to be telling you different ways that you can protect your skin at home. So first, let's talk about protection from aging. Free radical damage is a leading cause of premature aging, and we encounter them every day, whether we're at home or out and about, running to the store, going on a walk with our families. And this is any unstable atom, so UV radiation, pollutant particles, even our bodies start to create these. And a great way to protect against free radicals is with our age reverse system. Now this kit comes with 3 amazing products that you can use at home. First one is the chamomile cleanser, and this has chamomile and ginger essential oils and really great algae peptides. So it does a wonderful job of cleaning the skin of impurities, makeup, even eye makeup. And then the peptides really help firm and plump up the skin. So I even like to use this product like a little mini mask. I'll cleanse my skin with it and then apply a second layer of it if I'm in the shower. And I let that sit while I'm washing my hair or my body. And it's a nice little extra treat you can get from this product. And next we have the C-Stem. Now this is an amazing multifaceted product. It has lilac stem cells, which act as a growth factor for the skin, a really potent form of vitamin C called tetrahexadecyl ascorbate, and this is 8 times more potent than L-ascorbic acid, which you would normally find in vitamin C products. And then it also has a blend of algae extracts, which help improve the gene expressions for anti-aging and also reduce prodrine, which is the aging protein that our skin can form. And then lastly, we have the Ultra Benefits, which is a really potent antioxidant cream. And this has lipochromin, which is an antioxidant that helps fight against 3 different types of free radicals. That's oxygen-based, nitrogen-based, and carbonyl-based. So that's all the types of free radicals that you would be encountering in your day-to-day. And it also has really great brightening properties for reduction of hyperpigmentation and helping prevent that from forming. So you get all 3 of these in the age reverse system for $56 right now with our 20% off. It's unreal. And these are the travel size versions, but it lasts 6 weeks if you're using it twice a day. And I actually love, you can unscrew the top of these, and it's an airless pump, but you can push the plunger down and then refill it too. So you have really great little travel size containers that you can reuse. So love this kit for helping to protect our skin from free radicals and work on anti-aging. And then let's talk about protecting our skin from germs. So it's been so hard to find any type of hand sanitizer. So I'm going to show you how you can make your own at home with things that you hopefully have. So I've got aloe vera gel, isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol, and an essential oil. So you can mix all 3 of these together to make your own hand sanitizer at home. So basically you're going to do a 2-to-1 ratio of the alcohol to the aloe vera. So to make things simple, I already put a 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel into a little mixing cup here. And then I'm gonna pour the remainder, so 2/3 of a cup of the alcohol in here. So I'll bring that up to the 1 cup line. So we'll just pour that in. And I'm using 70% alcohol. If you have a higher percentage or 60%, that's okay too. A little tip also, sometimes I'll just put some of this alcohol in a little travel spray bottle and spray your hands with it. A 60 or 70% has to be used for that, but that's a quick, easy way to sanitize your hands as well. 90% actually evaporates too quickly for it to kill germs on the skin, so you would have to mix it with something like aloe vera gel. But at the higher potency, you can even do a 1-to-1 ratio. So I've got my mixture filled up to a cup, so that's 2/3 a cup of alcohol, 1/3 cup of aloe vera. And then I'm going to mix a little essential oil just for fragrance, but I am going to use lavender oil, which has natural antiseptic properties. Other great essential oils that are also antiseptic are tea tree or eucalyptus. So I'm going to put about 10 drops in there. Okay, and then I'm going to mix that all up. So I'm just using a little whisk, but you want to make sure you get it really nice and mixed up. And look how much hand sanitizer that is. That's amazing. So once that's all mixed up, I have little travel containers. You can get them at, Target, CVS, or online. And they usually come with like a little funnel. So then you can make a few hand sanitizers, on the go that you can keep, in your bag, in your car. So you would just pour that mixture in here and you've got your own hand sanitizer. So I hope you all enjoyed this survival tip. Please comment if you have any questions you'd like me to address in future videos. And if you want to try out this tip at home, use our hashtag FACSIP survival tip to be entered for a chance to win a $100 gift card. I'll see you next time.